Now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday laid foundation for Meghalaya'S third five-star hotel, Aurika Hotel by Lemon Tree Hotels Limited at Orchid Hotel in Polo, Shillong. The Aurika Hotel will be a luxury five-star hotel with 130 rooms and will be constructed at a cost of 124 crores through PPP model. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Sangma said that the project is the largest PPP model project in Meghalaya and will fructify into tourism growth, economic growth and employment for the youth. He added that the investment in the tourism sector will create over 1 lakh jobs in the state.
Rooms in this particular hotel. This is a luxury five-star hotel, top of the line with facilities like banquet halls and other amenities so that we can attract not just clientele from all over the country and the world, but we'll be able to promote large MICE tourism. So this is for meetings and conventions, and Shillong is already becoming a place where large organizations, large government departments are having their big meetings and conferences in Shillong.